Hello and welcome to ActivTrades biggest market movers. Today I'll be looking at the US dollar against the Japanese yen. I'll be discussing the US elections, and I'll also be identifying the key technical levels that you need to know on this currency pair. So it is the day of the US election, and I thought we'd take a look at the US dollar against the Japanese yen because this is a pair that's been moving in a large range, and of course it has the potential to move the most on election day either way because it is particularly risk sensitive. So as we move further into the day, look for the news out towards those key states that either candidate has to win, and we can see the reaction from the US dollar against the Japanese yen. That'll be a gauge of what the market is thinking. If we have a look at the key technical levels that you need to know on this currency pair, we should know that the US dollar against the Japanese yen had a large rally yesterday, but the high around 105.52 that it set last week is still in place. So until we crack that high, the US dollar Japanese yen will not be moving on to newer highs such as the 107 area, which is currently in its sights. If we do get a pullback in this currency pair, then it could be a good opportunity for traders who are expecting a Hillary Clinton win to get long, and we should look around the daily pivot around the 103.80 area. This may be a target for the bulls to get long, and look for this area to be a key pivot on election day. So if we do move up and take this high out, look for the 105.50 to be taken out convincingly, and if we do get a pullback and a retest to this area and it holds, look for a further advancement towards the 107 area, and that will be a key target for the bulls going towards that former high around the 107.50 area. If we look to the downside, of course we need to get underneath the 103.80, close under there convincingly, and then traders may look to go short. And of course we have a low around 102.90. That's been a key level for the US dollar Japanese yen. We need a longer time frame close underneath the 102.90 for traders to come down and test the 102.25, and that's a key level for this currency. Once we're underneath there, it really opens the floodgate for the 100 level. So if we do get a Donald Trump win, look for volatility towards the downside. And of course, if you want to be positioned, have a look for that 103.80 for some gauge of the market sentiment on the day. Thank you very much. This has been ActivTrades, biggest market movers, and ActivTrades offers negative balance protection.